Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Proofhub. Proofhub is one of the best project management and team collaboration softwares. With this platform, you'll be able to collaborate on projects quite easily, and you'll be able to communicate with your team members on one central platform. It is beginner friendly and easy to use. It doesn't matter the size of your business. I would definitely recommend that you give Proofhub a try. Whether you're a small business or a large business and you're looking for a platform that you can collaborate with your team members to complete projects and also to manage their time tracking and so on, you can use Proofhub. Now to get started, all you'll need to do is go onto proofhub.com. Then from there, you can tap on Start Your Free Trial in the top right hand corner. And by the way, you can see their different features right here, or their basic layout, projects and tasks, views, time tracking, workflows, templates, reports, and files and documents. Once you're signed up, you will be redirected to a page just like this. And from here, you can see before getting started, do you want to use Proofhub for a specific team or across the organization? So I selected organization. How many people will be using Proofhub? And from there, you can select the number right here. After you have selected the number, you'll tap on next. Then from there, you can create your first project. So I'll tap on next. Then you'll see first task, and you can add your first task if you want, and you can add your second task. Then you'll simply tap on next. After you have tapped on next, define workflow stages for your task, and you can see backlog. If you'd like to change the names, you can do that, but I'll leave them as is. So I'm going to tap on next. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page, and you can see try out different layouts to view the tasks. So you have the table view, you have the board view, you also have the Gantt view, and you have the calendar view. So you have different options that you can choose from. Then all you'll need to do now is tap on next. From here, you can invite your team members to try it out. So all you'll need to do is enter your teammates' email addresses right here. Then you can get started. So let's tap on let's get started. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to the main dashboard. So this is how your dashboard looks at the moment. You can see it right here. So you can see the layout. From here, you'll be able to add tasks. So all we'll need to do is tap on add tasks right here, and you can create your first task. So let's say, for example, create a YouTube video. After you have done that, you can tap right here. So you can see due date. You can select the due date right here. So you could select the start date and select the due date. If you would like to add a label, you can do that. If you would like to assign it to a team member, you can do that by tapping on the plus right here, and you could assign it to a team member. If you'd like to also add subtasks, you can do that by tapping on add subtasks. You can also attach files by tapping on attach files right there. And by scrolling down, you can see how it looks. So you can see right there. Now we are going to go back over. So we are going to tap on overview. After selecting overview, you can see how it looks. So this is how our table, or better yet, our display looks right here. So you can see how it looks at the moment. Now, if you would like to, for example, add notes, you can tap on notes from the top menu option. Once you have tapped on notes, if you would like to add notes, you could simply tap on the plus right here to create a note. Then you can add in your title. After you have added in your title, you can select add. Then from there, you could type in the notes that you would like to add. By the way, if you like to add link, you can do that. If you like to change the font size, you can also do that. And once you're finished, you'll simply tap on X to close out. and you can see some documents, or better yet some sample notes that they have added right here. Now to view your files or to add files, all you'll need to do is tap on Files from the top menu option. Then from there, if you would like to add a file or a PDF, all you'll need to do is tap on Add in the top left hand corner. Then from there, you could select Browse Files and tap on OK to add your file. Now that I've shown you how to do that, if you'd like to add contacts to Proofhub, all you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option, select right where you see People. After you have selected People, you will be redirected to this page. Now to add contacts, you're going to tap on Add in the top left hand corner. And from here, you can input your contact first, last name, email address, and you can also assign them a role if you want. Then you'll simply tap on Next. And also, if it is a bulk import, you'll simply tap on the drop down arrow. Then from there, you could tap on Import CSV, and you'll be able to add them via CSV file. And also by going over to the left hand menu option, you could select reports, and from there you'll be able to view the different reports. And to create a report, all you'll need to do is tap on Add in the top left hand corner. Then from there you can see the different reports right here. So for example, let's say work report, I could tap on that, then select Next. Then from there, you can add your title. You could select the projects. So you could select the project right there. Then you could add the group. Then you'll tap on Add. So you can see that the user interface is quite easy and it is beginner friendly. And you'll be able to view or create projects by simply tapping on projects from the left hand menu option. And if you would like to add anything or create anything, you could tap on Quick Add. From there, you can create projects. You can view the different templates by tapping on templates right there. You could add a template, or by tapping on it again, you'll be able to add topic, task, event, note, time, anything at all that you would like to add. You can tap on the plus real quick, and from there, you'll be able to get quick access to it to set it up. And that is basically it when it comes on to Proofhub. It is quite easy to use, as I said, and it is beginner friendly. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. And by the way, to get access to your workflows and so on, all you'll need to do is tap on the settings cog in the top right hand corner. From there, you could select workflows. After you have selected workflows, you can see a sample of how it looks. And to create a new workflow, you'll tap on Add. Then from there, you can add in your title. Then tap on Add. And then you'll simply select the workflow right here. After you have selected the workflow, you can start adding workflow stages, as you can see right there. And you can also change the colors. And all you'll need to do is tap on the plus to add different workflows. And you can also add forms if you want by going over to forms. You'll be able to create a form using Proofhub. So you can add in the project name, the task list, and the form title right here. And if you'd like to add a form description, you can do that. Once you're finished, you'll simply tap on Next to create the form. So let's do that real quick, just for example's sake. So let's say, for example, we were to tap on here, and you can see the form fields. So the name, email, and title is required. And you can see the different fields right there. Then we'll simply tap on Next. From here, you could choose the font color and the button color if you want. After you have done that, you can scroll down and you can see action on successful submission. You can tap right there and you can choose from any one of these three options. Then you'll tap on Save, and you have now created your first form, as you can see right there. And to view the form, you will simply tap on Preview. So let's see how it looks. So you can see how the form looks right there. And if you'd like to embed or add the form to your website, all you'll need to do is hover over it. Then from there, you could tap on copy link, and you can now paste or share the link on whichever social media platform you want. So if you would like to get the embed code, so let's say for example we would like to add it on our website, for example our Google sites, you'll simply tap on the three dots in line with the form name, then select embed code. After you have selected embed code, you could simply go into Google sites. Then from there you could select embed, then tap on embed form, then you could paste it in, then tap on next. After you have selected next, you will see a preview of how the form looks. Then you're going to tap on insert, and from here you can now see your form has been added, and you can change the size of the form right here. So that's how to add a Proofhub form to your website, and it would basically be the same thing to add it to a WordPress website. All you'll need to do is simply paste in the HTML code. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.